we're going to figure out how to best play the piano or the keyboard to make sure it feels more like a glockenspiel. When we're playing the piano, we need to play it as if we're playing a glockenspiel. The way to do that is, instead of using all 5 fingers on each hand, we use the pointer finger on our left and the pointer finger on our right. That means we get to practice the placement of which notes we play with our left finger beater and which notes we play on our right finger beater. Let's start with bar 2. We got semiquavers A and D and then a dotted minim A. Let's see how we play that with our finger beaters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's look at the upbeat to letter B. We got a bit of a complicated set of jumps with this, so let's see how we can move our fingers in the best way to make sure we hit the notes correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.